The two pending illegal drugs cases against Senator Leila de Lima do not list self-confessed narcotics dealer Kerwin Espinosa as a witness. Hence, his latest retraction on all affidavits or sworn statements against the detained senator has no bearing on any of such cases, which shall proceed accordingly, the palace spokesperson said. PTV's Rod Lagusad tells us more.
The Department of Justice says pending drug-related cases against detained Senator Leila de Lima will not be affected, even though self-confessed drug lord Kerwin Espinosa recanted his previous statements against the senator. The department said the more than 5-year gap between his recantation poses questions on his motive and truthfulness. The palace also shares the same sentiment. Acting presidential spokesperson and PCOO Secretary Martin Andanar said that Espinosa is not a state witness and will not affect the pending cases, even if he earlier changed his statement. Meanwhile, the PNP remains committed to its mandate in finding the truth. And if there will be a need, the PNP is ready to conduct its own investigation. Meanwhile, for De Lima's lawyer, Attorney Dino De Leon, the truth is now coming out.
It's a well-orchestrated sinister plot and machinations against Senator Leila de Lima. So kahit na hindi siya witness dito, magagamit namin ang kanyang testimony para witness sa amin. Kahit na hindi nila witness yan supposedly, we can call Kerwin Espinosa to corroborate the circumstances of this case.
Their camp is already studying their next options. Espinosa's lawyer, Attorney Raymond Palad, said his client recanted as he is no longer a part of the government's witness protection program since February.
Naturally, since wala na siya sa WPP, wala na siyang inaasahan sa gobyerno na protection, he has to recant this kasi nga he cannot be convicted based on his own statement. Yun ang nangyayari ngayon. Well, because nagsampa ng kasong bago ngayon, kailangan namin sagutin. And the hearing was held last April 4 and 28.
Espinosa said in his counter-affidavit that he was coerced and threatened to make up stories as his life and his family are in danger. This is 18 days before the said Senate hearing where his father, Albuera Leyte Mayor Rolando Espinosa Sr., was killed. Espinosa is yet to name the particular person who threatened him and his family. The DOJ now is considering filing a case for perjury against Espinosa because of his inconsistent statements.
Both statements, I understand, were made under oath and they are inconsistent. So baka nga merong maging liability si Mr. Espinosa, but this is something that he will have to contend with.
Rod Lagusad for The Nation.